Hi, this is Fred Stoverink, and today I'm going to be unboxing two film cases that I produce in my woodshop that are sold exclusively through CineStill. Starting with the Pocket model. The Pocket 135 film case holds two 35mm cartridges. I cut these from a solid chunk of walnut, and as you can see, walnut's very beautiful, but it's also very durable. And anyway, on the bottom here, I put a 1/4 inch mount so that you can mount it to a tripod if you want. And on the inside, you'll see that I use hard white maple for both the hinge pieces and the inlays. Now, these inlays have magnets underneath them, and so they discreetly keep your case completely shut. And they stay shut. It's not going to fold open on you. So anyway, you put your rolls of film in. And you do one, and do other, and then flip it shut. Boom, you're good to go. Let's see that again. Boom, you're good to go. Anyway, it stays shut. You can shake it around. It's not going to come loose. Fits in your pocket or in your bag. Very convenient to take around, and I just think it looks great. So there you go, the Pocket 135 model. Next up is the Stoverink Desktop 135 film case, also made out of solid walnut. This one, however, is much bigger and holds 5 cartridges of 35mm film comfortably and beautifully on your desktop. Oh, I just love walnut. Look at that. Gorgeous, durable, and beautiful. This is significantly heavier than the Pocket case. And like I said before, it holds 5 instead of just 2. But it also has chamfered edges around the centerpiece and a chamfered lip around the lid so that when you shut it, it's just all that much more hard for light to get through. Like I said, I'm very proud of how beautiful and durable these are. These brass-coated hinges are very easy to use, and this maple inlay just makes everything look good with a nice sharp contrast. There you have it, the desktop model, sure to inspire envy in your fellow photographers. Thanks for watching.